Hello everyone. So in today's video, we're going to discuss a cloud kitchen data set, and we'll be exploring this data and doing some data analysis on Excel and Tableau. So in this video, we'll be trying to understand first like how the cloud kitchen data, how the cloud kitchen model works, and then we'll be exploring the dummy data set, what we have, and we'll go through understanding the different metrics, and then we'll be using Excel to understand how can we calculate those metrics and do some exploratory analysis. And so here we have taken an example. For instance, we have Lucknow Biryani, which is a restaurant name in India, in Lucknow, which makes a very good biryani. And now they want to open their location to some other place, their branch to some other place. So now they have different methods. So the one method which they have, they'll be opening or training some chefs, new chef, and opening a location in, let's say, Dubai, and they want to open a location there. They'll be coming here, leasing a space, opening a restaurant, get all the raw materials, and there'll be a fixed cost to it. The other method which we'll be discussing here, is a cloud kitchen method. So how does this model work is, there's a cloud kitchen company who will be tying up with Lucknow Biryani restaurant, which is in Lucknow. And cloud kitchen company will already have some chefs which will be trained by the chefs in Lucknow Biryani on their food items in the menu. Once they train the cloud kitchen chefs on their particular items, so yeah, sorry for this. So once they train the chefs of cloud kitchen for their food items, the cloud kitchen companies will be having a tie-up with the delivery partners, and post the delivery partners, customers can order the food of Lucknow directly in Dubai itself. So this is how it works. And basically, a cloud kitchen company, there might be certain metrics which they'll be tracking, like how many orders have come from a particular brand, how many times the food partner, which is the most popular item, how much time does it take for a particular kitchen, a particular food to prepare, and so on. So we'll be looking at a data set with the dummy data, and we'll try to understand the variables or the fields over there. So let me quickly come to the data. So here we have a data of the cloud kitchen. Here we have the order ID. So suppose if I'm a customer and I order three things, so I'll just come to this section with this item name. So let's assume I'm some ABC customer. I have ordered three items: cheese poppers, 7-Up, and ultimate tawuk sandwich. And here's my order ID. And I've ordered for a location or a restaurant name, brand 4, through a partner 1. So I might have different delivery partners like Zomato, Swiggy, Talabat, which is in the Middle East. So depending on the different partners, I'll be ordering to them. And the kitchen where the cloud kitchen chefs are preparing my order is a hypothetical name called Wildfield for the kitchen name, and they have prepared the order on like I have given the order on 14th May 2022 at 6:16 p.m. and they took some time to prepare the order, and my final bill is 67. So now this is how one order details would be stored, and the more orders and more number of items, I'll have more number of records. So this is, and depending on the kitchen name and the partner name, it will keep on changing. So there might be different metrics which we'll be capturing. So from the set of metrics which I have mentioned earlier, we'll be taking some set of things which we'll be covering over here. So here I have a set of 7 questions which we'll be trying to answer using Excel. So let's look at the first question. So Here we are trying to identify which is the most popular item. So it is quite simple over here. So if we have this data, the item names, we need to find how many times they have been ordered, and we'll be sorting it in a descending order and get the number of orders for each item name, and then we can find the most popular item. So I'll just select the all data by Control A. I'll just click on Insert and click on the pivot table and click on the new sheet and click on OK. Here, the first thing which I need is the item name. I just drag drop this to rows and take the order ID and put it in values. So here I get to know that for each item name, how many times the orders have been made. I'll just click over here and sort. I'll just right click over here and count and just sort it from largest to smallest. So when I do that, I get to know that French fries is the most popular item with 8 times being ordered. So this is the first question. How do we do it? And I'll just name it as most popular item, and that's it.